In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload YouTube Shorts in Zapier. First, open Zapier and land on the Home dashboard. From here, click Create, then choose Zaps to start building an automation. You'll see a prompt to define what starts your Zap. This is where we'll structure the workflow, but before we define the trigger, we'll add the YouTube upload step so you know exactly what the end result looks like. In the action search, click to select the event for your Zap to run, then start typing YouTube. Choose YouTube from the results. When the list of available events appears, pick Upload Video. This is the action that will publish your short to your channel. Zapier will ask you to connect your YouTube account, follow the prompts, and grant the necessary permissions. A tip here, YouTube Shorts are typically under 60 seconds and vertical. In the YouTube action later, you'll map fields like title, description, visibility, tags, and the actual video file or URL coming from your trigger. Keep titles concise and descriptions clear so viewers know exactly what the short is about. Head back to the Zapier homepage, then into Zaps again to configure the trigger. Click to select the event that starts your Zap. In the app picker, begin typing highlight to quickly filter the list, then choose WhatsApp Business. Next, choose an event. Select the trigger that fires when a customer sends a message to your WhatsApp Business phone number. This lets incoming messages kick off the automation. Connect your WhatsApp Business account when prompted so Zapier can receive those messages securely. With the trigger selected, click to choose the next app in the flow. Search for and select Google Sheets. Choose an event and pick Create Spreadsheet Row. This step is optional in terms of publishing, but extremely useful for logging. It will record each incoming WhatsApp message, along with any details you map into a sheet. That way you can track who requested a short, include the source message, and note the status of each upload. When configuring this, select your spreadsheet and worksheet, then map fields like timestamp, sender, message content, and any link or file reference you plan to pass to YouTube. At this point, your Zap structure is set. A WhatsApp message triggers the workflow, a row is created in Google Sheets for tracking, and the YouTube upload video action publishes your short. When you map the video file and metadata, double-check privacy settings, captions, and hashtags. Once everything looks good, your automation will reliably post shorts and keep a clean log of each request.